Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a multi-window dashboard app where we can detach the three widgets into different browser windows, as well as sharing data from a shared data worker through all connected windows. And we can also adjust component instances, which will also get shared across the windows at runtime, and the changes will persist when moving those instances into new windows. So if we just start the app, we can see that we have inside the console of the shared data worker a WebSocket connection which fetched the data once to have an initial input. If I hit the start button, we will get 60 WebSocket messages per second. As you can see now, it's updating pretty frequently. Now we can either detach the widgets as pop-up windows or as real browser tabs. So let's start with the table. In case we are moving it to a different window, you can see it's still updating. And you can do the same for the pie charts without the pop-up checkbox checked. So then we will get a tab. Let's quickly take a look into the network here. As you can see, we have 0 updates here, and there's also no WebSocket. And if you are looking into the local storage, you will also see that we are saving literally nothing there. So we can just directly communicate through the windows, and this is not needed. Now if we go here, let's say the bar chart button, I can hit Control Option right click on this button and it will lock the component tree. Then I can store the button as a global variable, and then I can just say and if you look at the bar chart button, it should now update once I hit enter. Inside the table, let's do something too. So we can just move a column with drag and drop. So now F is after B, and it's now Control Option right click the D button. Again, you can just save it. Now the interesting part is once I close this window, we will keep this latest state. So as you can see, F is still after B and the D button is renamed to world. In case I'm changing the amount of columns, I'm regenerating them. So in this case, those changes will get lost on purpose. Let's detach it again. And we can of course change other settings too. So this will change or reduce the amount of bar chart columns and pie slices if I go down. And the nice thing here is really that all the windows are in sync all the time. And again, as you can see, I just reattach the table and it still has only 5 rows. So with this technique, we can basically expand any kind of app into several windows, which is very, very nice in case you are thinking about multi-screen setups, for example, data science, finance, or whatever comes to mind. Have a great day and bye-bye.